Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Sumura Baruna Monday, and I'm happy to see y'all again. You're welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, be sure you subscribe. I make videos on businesses, whatever that will help you grow financially in your business, in whatever you do as a business or career. And be sure to check some of my previous videos. They are really educational, and I intend making more and more educational video in the future, and you don't need to worry, it's all gonna be fun. All right, so welcome here. All right, today I'm gonna talk about the best mobile editor that you can use, image editor. And today we're just going to see how it works, and see how you can use it to clone yourself. And this mobile editor, I mean picture editor, and this mobile picture editor that I'm going to talk about here, there are a whole lot of them, but this is my favorite. It's called Snapseed. Snapseed, if you don't know Snapseed by now, there are wide ranges of settings that can be done with Snapseed, or editing that can be done, picture editing that can be done with Snapseed. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just take a picture and see how we can clone with Snapseed, and it will look like I have a twin on the same picture frame. So now I'm just going to take a picture now, and then I'm going to use a timer on my phone, 10 seconds. So I'm going to run. Well, I think that got off earlier. I need a better one, so I'm going to touch it again. Okay, I need to be here. And then I'll take another one too. Alright, so that being done, let's see the picture that I just took right now. Okay, this one is the first one, and this, oh my god, I was still running this. Alright, okay, so this is the one we are going to use. My camera quality may be a little bit poor, so we're going to use this one and this one, because we want it to look like two persons on the same picture frame, like a twin or something. So now I have to come here, click on it, then upload the picture, the particular picture. Alright, these are the pictures I just took. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this one now. Alright, so now when you upload your picture like this, so the next thing you're gonna have to do is click on tools and click on double exposure, and then click on that plus sign, and then upload the second picture. And the second picture for me is this one here that I want to use. Okay, I upload this one. Okay, now I might need to use another one, because let me open another frame, because I need something that will be a bit farther off. Okay, let me use okay, let me upload this one. Okay, then double exposure. Okay, this one. Alright, so then you click on this two here and increase it to the end. Okay, and then when you are done doing that, you come here, click on this button right here, this particular one here, that is to edit the settings. Then click on view edits, and click on double exposure. There's a small arrow there, click on it, then click on edit, that brush there. Now clicking on the brush now, Now what I'm gonna do right now is to brush off the older picture, so that it can show. If I check this eye, whenever I make any sign or draw on it, it will give this color sensation. So uncheck the eye. So what we're just gonna do right now is brush the other one so that it shows. Brush, 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 and brush. So now how do you see it now? If it doesn't look uh, perfect enough, because if you brush and you mistakenly brush on this other part, it will clear off the other one. So you can literally cancel it and then do it again by brushing it neatly enough. All right, so how do you see it? It looks like two of myself, just like I have a twin that took a picture with me. And so, and the reason why you can see is everything is just the same way. And here you can okay it, and then when you're done with that, you can use the arrow. You can add any touches you might like to add to it, any touches at all, maybe glamour, however you want to change it, whatever the color you want to change it to, or whichever way you want to, make some little touch on it. And well, for now, let's say I don't need any glamour, and you can just change it into different this thing. All right, so uh so here we are. So that's simply it. I think I love the original color. Did I okay that? Okay. uh I like to undo some things. Now whenever you don't like what you just did, you can undo them. So okay, so here we are. You can see I just clone myself into the same image, and you can do this with varieties of images. All right, so uh do yours and let me see if you are doing well. Let me see if this video was helpful to you. So the Snapseed editor is very helpful to anyone. Like, you can use it to edit a whole variety of things, especially when you have a product and you want to be editing your product, and doing the cleanup jobs and advertising it by yourself. All right, so now in the next video I am going to teach you how the editor that you can use to get rid of ugly backgrounds around your product. And that editor is it's very very helpful to those that have a product that always want to be putting out new products every single day, and you don't want maybe it to save you the cost of paying someone to remove background for you. So till next video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, the video, like it, and comment. Your comment is very much important because it helps in the YouTube algorithm boost up. So be sure that you subscribe and comment and like and share this video to someone who might need it. Thank you.